Hi, good morning. I'm Terry Bunker, retired physical therapist and co-owner of Life Changing Fitness in Tyler, Texas. Today I want to talk about low back pain. Pretty much everybody has it at some time, so it's the most common thing that we ever saw in the physical therapy profession. So there's some things you can do to hopefully prevent and treat minor low back problems. Obviously, if you have significant difficulties, you should consult your physician or surgeon. But this is for minor problems. So a couple of things to consider for this is strong core, good flexibility. All those things are going to help prevent problems from happening. So I'm just going to go over a few of those exercises with you today that you can easily do at home. These are just the basics that everybody really should do on a regular basis. So the first thing is called a pelvic tilt. So right here at your pelvis, you want to be able to do a tilt like that, contract your lower abdominal muscles and your gluteal muscles. Hold it about 5 seconds and then relax. So tilt and relax. So we're going to build off of that, pelvic tilt, then a crunch, pause for a second, down and then relax, tilt, crunch. Don't lead with your neck, let your head be up here. Your hands can be anywhere you want. Down and relax, tilt, crunch. All you got to do for upper abs and lower abs. Really helps a lot. A flexibility exercise is called leg rolls. So I like to put the arms out here, let your legs roll to one side and to the other side. Back and forth. Do about 10 reps to each side. Feels really good. Your back may pop sometimes. Feels great. Now spread your feet about 12 inches apart at least and do the same exact thing. And now you're going to get more stretch into your hip joints, which feels really good. Just like that. Now, a strengthening exercise also, if you do your pelvic tilt again and then bridge, pause, and down, tilt, bridge, and down. Strengthens your gluteal muscles, your hamstrings, your core. Okay? Now, one of the things that's also really important is flexibility. Your hamstrings attached to your pelvis, and if they're tight, they're going to cause problems. So with your leg out straight, just like that, sitting tall, gently lean forward till you feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Hold that stretch. Don't bend over around your back. Keep up tall. Foot's upright. Hold about 15 to 20 seconds and relax. 10 repetitions is a nice stretch to do for that. Then there's another one called a figure 4 stretch for the piriformis muscle in your buttocks. So if you have a pain in the butt, this oftentimes can be a piriformis problem. You can cross your leg like this, pull your leg up to you like this. We'll stretch it. I find the best way to stretch it is against the wall, cross here, maintain that stretch. When you want more stretch, scoot in closer to the wall and do the same thing. Keeping just gentle pressure on your knee right here. Should feel it in that leg that's crossed over. That's about a 15 or 20 second hold also. Feels really good. All right. Now, if you do a lot of sitting and you're in a flex position or you're bent over a lot, really helpful thing to do is just lay on your stomach and prop up on your forearms to relieve that stress on your low back. If you want to, you can even press up and arch your back some like that. But just laying on your stomach to reverse the stresses from the sitting position or the bent over position is extremely helpful. Reduces the pressure on the disc in your low back and just basically feels good. And then one more really good core strengthening exercise is called partial squats. You can do this at home, hold on to a kitchen sink, bathroom sink, open a door, let the doorknob be here. But something solid to hold on to. Feet hip width apart, head up, back straight, sit back and down, push back up. Only go as deep as you're comfortable. Pushing up through your heels. That really functionally helps you with getting up and down from a seated position versus most people, when they sit down, they bend over. When they get up, they bend over, versus squat and sit. All those little stresses help. So in the gym, be careful about doing like a leg press. Be careful about doing some back extension machines, different things. You know, backs are very complicated. So, you know, this is just generic information, which is good for minor back problems. But if you have anything more severe, definitely consult your physician. And if you have any questions, contact us at Life Changing Fitness in Tyler, Texas. Thanks.